All right, question number 3, let's get right into it. So we have let R and A be the radius and area respectively of a circle. If R increases by 40%, by what percent will A increase? Okay, so the first thing we can do here is just recognize how is R related to A. So we know that R is related to A through this equation, pi times R squared equals A. And this is true for whenever R is equal to R, right? Now, what happens whenever R equals R, well, what happens whenever R increases by 40%? So we can write this as, what I'll do is I'll do pi times 1.4R, this entire thing is going to be squared, equals A, but it's not going to be equal to A, it's going to be equal to a different one, so I'm going to say A sub n for the, or I'll say A sub nu for the new area. Okay, so now what I can do is I can go ahead and square both the 1.4 and the R, so I will be left with 1.4 squared times pi times R squared equals A nu. Okay, now we already know that pi R squared is equal to A, so I'll just go ahead and plug that in. I'll have 1.4 squared times A equals A nu. All right, so now I want to figure out how is, let's see, how is A related to A nu? And, well, if I square the 1.4, I'm going to get 1.96 times A equals this new area. And again, 1.96 times A, that is equivalent to saying an increase, whoops, sorry, that was terrible. That's going to be an increase of 96%. That's another way to say it. So that's our answer. It's going to be 96%, so it's going to be answer choice D. And yeah, hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.